Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to do Kuromi bricks. We'll start by gathering all the necessary pieces, focusing on the iconic colors like purple, black, and white. Make sure you have a clear workspace and perhaps a reference image of Kuromi to guide your creative process. This initial preparation is key to a smooth and enjoyable building experience, setting the foundation for your fantastic creation. Now let's move on to building the core structure. Start with a sturdy base, perhaps using a 4x4 or larger foundation. Then, build up the main body, focusing on creating a solid form. Remember to integrate Kuromi's distinct black ears early in the process, making them stand out. Use white bricks for the face, leaving space for details later. This stage establishes the overall shape and scale of your Kuromi. Next, we'll bring Kuromi to life with her iconic details. For the eyes, place 2 small black round bricks, ensuring they are evenly spaced. The skull emblem is crucial. Try a 1x1 white brick with a black dot for the eye. Craft her signature mischievous smile using a curved black piece or a few smaller angled bricks. Don't forget to add any purple bow or accessory details to complete her look. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and prepare your creation for display. Take a moment to reinforce any delicate areas, like the ears or bow, with extra connecting bricks for durability. Double-check that all pieces are firmly pressed together to prevent any accidental collapses. Once complete, find a perfect spot to showcase your amazing Kuromi brick figure, perhaps on a dedicated display stand. You've done a fantastic job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.